Welcome to Freshman Fables. I'm Joe Cool. Tonight I'm going to tell you a tale of an ugly duckling. A story about a very ugly and racially confused young freshman girl who then blossomed into a hot, slutty chick. Apparently it all started when she was born. Her parents were the first black people to ever have a white baby.
Our baby's white.
God damn, that's the ugliest baby I've ever seen.
Oh, thank God you said that, because right before you got here, your wife and I were saying the exact same thing. I was like, that is the ugliest baby I have ever seen. And I deliver babies for a living, so, I mean, that's the worst one. And it's white, too, which doesn't even make sense.
This is bullshit.
A long time ago, it was 2007, I was returning from Tibet with Brad Pitt. I was brushing up on my Mongolian hitchup hoof haze! And everyone was doing the Soldier Boy.
Yo!
We were in Spanish class and the Ugly Duckling was giving a presentation in Espanol.
Hola amigos, me llamo Daisy Lynn Duckling.
Daisy thought she was going to blossom in college, as many kids do. But her headgear, glasses, and pretty much her entire face were too ugly for kids to even look at.
You smell ugly. Fix it.
No! No!
Yeah. You made me gay.
Dancing was her passion, but because none of the kids would be caught dead with her, she practiced on her own. Until one day, the kids found her. And then on Christmas, she received the greatest gift a teenager could ever receive: plastic surgery. The doctors removed her braces, glasses, and headgear. And who doesn't like big boobies? When she came back, everyone had noticed she had blossomed into the girl of every man's dream. All the sorority girls wanted her to be affiliated.
Shut up, you're super stupid gorgeous! Sit on my face!
Yeah, baby. I masturbate to you.
And she finally found a place for people just like her. Hip-hop dance team. Turns out, there's a bunch of white girls who think they're black. And she lives happily ever after